Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix GameLoop HTTP download error codes 4, 20, 21, 30, and 31, so you can download games without interruptions. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, because these errors are mostly network related. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you are using, since it can block the download servers. After that, run GameLoop as administrator to avoid permission issues. You should also clear the emulator cache by deleting temporary files from the GameLoop folder. Another important step is to allow GameLoop through your firewall and antivirus, so downloads are not blocked. Also, change your DNS to a public one, like Google DNS, for better connectivity. If the issue continues, reinstall GameLoop completely for a fresh setup. Finally, restart your PC and try downloading again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.